Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. So in this video, we are going to talk about the problem A of Codeforces round 770, which is reverse and concatenate. Okay. So in this problem, what it is given is that there is a string given to you, and for that string, what you have to do is that you can replace that string with that string plus reverse of that string or reverse of that string plus that string. Okay. So you have to find that after performing exactly k operation, what is how many different type of strings you can get. Means after performing k operation, so you will get a final string. For that particular final string, you how many different string you can get. Okay, let me explain the problem once again because this problem is also quite confusing. Okay, problem statement is also quite confusing. The problem is that you are given with a string. For example, the string is s1, s2, s3 up to sn. This is a string of length n. What you can do is let's take this is a string of length 3 only, so that it is easy for me to explain. So what you can do is that you can do two operations. In the first operation, what you can do is you can just add this string with the reverse of that string. This is the reverse of that string. Or you can add the reverse of that string with that string. This is the reverse. You have to observe one thing, that after doing these two operations, every time this particular string will also become a palindrome and this string will also become palindrome. Okay, I hope you get it. That particular string will also become palindrome and this string is also a palindrome. Okay, now if we do one more operation to this particular first string, so now what it will be? It will be s1, s2, s3, s3, s2, s1. So the reverse of this string I will write in this box only: s1, s2, s3, s3, s2, s1. This is the reverse of the string. And if we write first reverse and then that string, it will be s1, s2, s3, s3, s2, s1, and then s1, s2, s3, s3, s2, s1. You can see these both the strings are same. Means when we are performing this particular operations on a palindrome string, because this is a palindrome string. When we are performing this in a palindrome, then we are getting only one type of string because these both the strings are same. So whenever we will perform this operation in a palindrome string, it will be only one possible string is possible, one string is possible, and if we are performing this on a non-palindrome string, then two solutions are available. If this is already a palindrome, then these two will also be equal, means same strings. These will also be not a different string. So when the particular so first case is, what is the first case? First case is that k is equal to 0, means we are not performing any operation. So in this case, when we are not performing any operation, what the answer will be? It will be 1 only, because when you are not performing any operation, then the original string will only be the possible option. And if we are performing only one operation, so in that case, what it is, that in the case of this one operation, after that first operation, the string will become palindrome. So for the first operation, we have two choices. If the string is already palindrome, then only one possible string is possible. And if the palindrome is not a palindrome, is a non-palindrome, then two possible strings are possible. A first one and a second one. Okay. So if we move towards the code part to understand it more clearly, what I have done here is, you can check. First of all, I have checked that if this k is 0, then the answer is 1. Okay. Now, if the string is palindrome, Then the answer is 1 only, because for that palindrome string only one possible string is possible. Okay, if it is palindrome, then if we do string plus reverse or we do reverse plus string, both the strings are same. And if that string is not a palindrome, then it will be 2, because for that, in that case what it is happening is that both the strings are different. दोनों ही string अलग अलग होते हैं. I hope you understand it. If you have not understand, you can comment it down your doubt, or you can join our Telegram to discuss this problem. You can also connect me on LinkedIn, join Telegram, and you can follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Thank you.